Hey there, how's it going? This is Israel with Colorado Pump Pro. Here I'm going to walk you through one of our projects that we're going to be starting today. So this is day one. We're just going to be doing demo. It is a little late in the day, so we might just get half of this demoed and do the rest tomorrow. So what are we doing here? From point A, which is a biofall, to the skimmer is 40 feet. What we're actually gonna do is we're gonna take all of this out, even the bridge. We start from the bottom, and then as far as this bridge, we're actually gonna pull it out and put one big rock, roughly the same size, and we're gonna have it level with our sidewalk. We've already took all the loose rocks up here and up here, but what I wanted to actually show you is that this is one of the things that we do see when we're bidding something out. We can only see what is on site, basically. So we're finding out that as we're going, we're trying to lift these up, but they're all concreted in. I did expect some concrete, so that was a good thing, but I only saw it on the top. So I saw these and the stream. Was not expecting it in the pond, but now we know.
All right, so we were kind of talking earlier about where we're going to put our spillways, and so we decided definitely that we want to have one kind of up here in the corner at our highest spot. The other option we were looking at was back here, kind of where Mitchell is. The reason we did not put it back here is because access for the machine. The only way that we could get in there is to be able to drive through here, build that up, and set our rocks in there. The other option was to put it over here, which allows us to just excavate this and set our rocks from where the machine currently is, which is just a little bit less work as far as getting into here. The viewing angle would be very nice from here, but we can still get our two spillways in and kind of just half circle it so that we have water coming straight towards the window from there.